The gorilla, guardians of the forest deep within the lush rainforests and misty mountains of Africa, resides one of the most magnificent and intelligent beings on Earth, the gorilla. And these gentle giants captivate us with their human-like behavior, profound social bonds, and unparalleled strength. Gorillas are not just animals, they are our close relatives, sharing nearly 98% of our DNA. Yet, despite their incredible presence and intelligence, gorillas face relentless challenges in the modern world. In this documentary, we'll explore their lives, their habitats, their relationships, and the urgent need to protect these extraordinary creatures. Gorillas belong to the family of great apes, alongside chimpanzees, orangutans, and humans. There are two species of gorillas, the eastern gorilla, Gorilla beringei, and the western gorilla, Gorilla gorilla, each further divided into two subspecies. Among them are the critically endangered mountain gorillas, found in the high-altitude forests of Uganda, Rwanda, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the elusive western lowland gorillas, inhabiting the dense tropical forests of West and Central Africa. Despite differences in habitat and size, all gorillas share common traits that make them a wonder of the natural world. Gorillas are the largest primates on the planet. Adult males, known as silverbacks due to the striking patch of silver hair on their backs, can weigh up to 500 pounds and stand over 5 feet tall when upright. Despite their size and strength, gorillas are primarily peaceful and gentle animals. Their diet, consisting mostly of plants, fruits, leaves, and stems, marks them as herbivores. Occasionally, they may eat insects, but their diet heavily depends on the abundance of vegetation in their environment. A day in the life of a gorilla revolves around foraging, resting, and nurturing social bonds. Gorillas live in groups called troops, led by a dominant silverback who serves as the protector, leader, and decision-maker. A troop typically consists of several females, their offspring, and sometimes a few subordinate males, known as blackbacks. The silverback's role is crucial, as he defends his group from threats, mediates conflicts, and ensures the troop's overall safety and cohesion. The social structure of gorillas is fascinating. They communicate through a complex array of vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions, many of which are strikingly similar to human behaviors. From playful laughter-like sounds to chest beating, gorillas have a rich language that conveys emotions, warnings, and intentions. Watching gorillas interact offers a window into the deep emotional lives of these creatures, underscoring their intelligence and sensitivity. Gorilla infants are born after a gestation period of about 8.5 months. At birth, they are incredibly small, weighing around 4 pounds, but they grow quickly under the watchful care of their mothers. For the first few years of life, young gorillas cling to their mothers, learning essential survival skills and social behaviors. Play is a vital part of their development, as it helps them build strength, coordination, and social bonds. The bond between a mother and her infant is deeply emotional and lasts a lifetime. Gorillas are keystone species, meaning their presence is vital to the health of their ecosystems. As they forage, they disperse seeds across the forest, playing a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity. Their movements through dense vegetation create pathways that benefit other animals. Without gorillas, the delicate balance of their habitats could be disrupted, leading to far-reaching ecological consequences. Sadly, despite their importance and peaceful nature, gorillas are under constant threat. Habitat destruction, driven by logging, agriculture, and mining, has led to the fragmentation and loss of their natural homes. Poaching remains a severe problem, as gorillas are hunted for bushmeat or captured for illegal wildlife trade. Additionally, diseases such as Ebola and respiratory infections, often transmitted by humans, have devastated gorilla populations. And climate change further exacerbates these challenges. Rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns threaten the availability of food and water in gorilla habitats. Forests, once teeming with life, are becoming increasingly inhospitable, forcing gorillas to adapt or perish. These challenges are particularly dire for mountain gorillas, whose limited range makes them especially vulnerable to environmental changes. Despite these threats, there is hope for the future of gorillas, thanks to tireless conservation efforts. National parks and protected reserves, such as Volcanoes National Park in Rwanda and Bwindi Impenetrable Forest in Uganda, have become safe havens for gorillas. Anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration projects, and ecotourism initiatives have all contributed to stabilizing or even increasing some gorilla populations. One of the most remarkable success stories is the recovery of mountain gorillas. Once on the brink of extinction, their numbers have risen steadily, with over 1,000 individuals now surviving in the wild. This achievement is a testament to the collaboration between governments, conservation organizations, and local communities. By involving local people in gorilla conservation, many former poachers have become protectors, realizing the value of these animals to both their environment and their economy. Ecotourism has played a significant role in gorilla conservation. Tourists from around the world travel to Africa to witness gorillas in their natural habitat, generating vital revenue for conservation programs. Strict guidelines ensure that these interactions are safe for both gorillas and visitors, minimizing stress and disease transmission. For many who experience the awe of meeting a gorilla troop face-to-face, it is a life-changing moment that fosters a deep appreciation for these animals and the need to protect them. The story of gorillas also highlights the ethical and philosophical questions surrounding human responsibility for wildlife. Gorillas are not just another species, they are our relatives, sharing a profound connection with us. Their survival is not only a matter of protecting biodiversity, but also a reflection of our humanity and values. As we strive to protect gorillas, we are also safeguarding the forests they inhabit, which are vital to combating climate change and supporting countless other species. The fate of gorillas is intertwined with the health of the planet, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all life. In the end, the survival of gorillas depends on collective action. Governments, organizations, and individuals must work together to address the threats they face and ensure their future. Simple actions, such as supporting ethical tourism, donating to conservation efforts, or spreading awareness, can make a difference.